morning children. Welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanastalipura, class 2 children. Okay, which class are you studying? Second class. So we will say class 2. Okay, how are you all children? Everyone is good? Okay, and what did you have as a breakfast in the morning? Okay, I had chapati today. Okay children, and what you had in Delhi children? Okay, and yesterday, like in English, which subject children? English, class 2. So today what is the date? Yesterday it was 10 and today it is 11. So we will be writing the date and which month children? 9th month September. Okay, 11th date and 9th month September, and it is English class. Okay, so yesterday we have learned home children, that is a house. Where do you live children? We live in a house. And where do a bunny lives? Bunny lives in a hole. And other animals, bee lives in a hive. Okay, and sparrow lives in a nest on a tree, right? And next bunny I told already, and we live in a house. Okay children, so these are the houses of different animals we have learned, right? I told you to learn this poem yesterday, right children? Everyone learn this poem children. Okay, today we are going to second lesson, grammar part children. First I want to read the lesson and you are also everyone follow children. Okay, open textbook everyone. This is already explanation part is over children, and this is class 2 English, the fly. Second lesson, the fly. It is very funny story children. Explanation part is over, but now I want to make you to read children. Where I am reading to understand, you need to put your finger under the line children. Just follow me. Okay, everyone get set go. Everyone put the finger. Name the animals. Write L for animals that live on land. Write W for animal that live in water. Here, pause. Okay children, see, read the names of animals given below. Where do they live? Write land or water on the blanks. First one, lion. Lion lives in water or else land? Land, L. Now second one, whale. Whale lives in water or land? Water, W. Octopus lives in water, W. Sparrow lives on land only, flies in the sky. You will get it out, right? But it lives on a land, on the land. L. Owl, it is a bird. It lives on land, L. Starfish, it lives in water, W. Yes. Next page children, 17 page number. Follow me everyone. I am reading, you are also following me. Okay, read. Once there was a tiny animal. It had big eyes and shiny wings. This tiny animal got up one morning. It rubbed its eyes. It spread its wings and looked around. Oh dear, who am I? What is my name? The tiny animal felt sad.
It looked up. It saw the sky. Then it looked down. It saw a cough. It flew down to the cough. The tiny animal flew to the cow. No, next one, this one. Dear cough, do you know my name? No, I don't. Ask my mother. She will tell you. The tiny animal flew to the cow. How pretty cow! Do you know my name? Oh, how could you forget your name? Why don't you ask the woman with the walking stick? Turn the page, page number 18. The woman said, ask the green grass that grows by the river. The green grass said, ask the water in the river. The water in the river said, ask the tall tree. Who said? This is the river. Ask the tall tree. The tall tree said, ask the pretty bird in the nest. The bird flapped its wings and said, don't ask me, I don't know, I only know how to fly. The tiny animal jumped up with joy when it heard the word fly, F-L-Y, fly. Oh, now I remember, my name is Fly. My name is Fly. I am a fly. Understood, children? Listen how to read, where I am just keep taking pause and where I am completing the sentence, putting full stop. So just you are stopping there and you are going to next sentence. In that way you also read, children. Okay, so next exercise, one exercise we will learn, children, that is given here. Who said these words? That means till now we have learned which word, what words they said. Now we are checking our understanding levels, children, how far we understood the lesson. If you are really concentrating, surely you will tell the correct names. Okay, so this is the page number 19. Sorry. This is the page number 19. Here, read and answer. Who said these words? Tick the correct answer. See here, who am I? First one. So, I am writing here, first one, I am writing just answers, children. Here, the cough. Sorry, we have to write. What is this? This is A. And this is B, the tiny animal. So you are unable to see, look at the board, children. Just I want to write only blanks, children, now. Okay, this is A and this is B. So who said who am I? Who forgot the name, children, in this lesson? Yes, the tiny animal. Put the tick mark here. Okay. Now second one, children. How could you forget your name? Second one, I am writing here A and here B. Who said these words, children? How can you forget your name? How could you forget your name? Who said? The cow or is the woman? The cow. Yes. Who said? The cow. Now third one, children. Ask the water in the river. Who said these words? Just see here. The woman or else the green grass. Who said? Ask the water in the river. The green grass. Here A. Here B. Here it is children. Third one. Ask the water in the river. The woman or else the green grass? The green grass. Yes. The green grass. Now fourth one children. A and B. Which one it is? Ask the tall tree. Who said? The green grass or else the water in the river? The water in the river. Yes. The water in the river said, ask the tall tree. So put a tick mark. Now turn the page children. This is page number 5. I don't know. I only know how to fly. I don't know. I only know how to fly. Who said? The tall tree or else the bird? Last one. The bird said or else the tall tree? Don't ask me, I know only fly. Yes, bird. So put a tick mark. Okay. This is a small exercise for you children, and I want to make you to read the lesson children properly. Everyone read the lesson and just tomorrow tell me children how you are reading, if possible one paragraph, like any one of paragraph you can read and send me how you are reading. I want to see. Okay, practice everyone, reading practice. Okay, and I want to give you a small exercise children. Today I explained this one, right? First A1 is over. Now true or false are there children. This is A bit over. In this same page number 20. Page number 20, homework I am giving children, page number 20, write true or false. Okay. What is that? Page number 20, page 20, true or false. Okay. Do this. This is a homework children for you. I just check your knowledge. Okay. And say these words aloud along with me children, everyone. C bit, teacher, teacher, driver, driver, farmer, farmer, carpenter, carpenter, singer, beak, read, read, bead, bead, heat, seat, seat, leap. That means children, here we have learned the words ER and EA words. Okay, how you will pronounce, I will see children. Okay, and here page number 20 I told you na children. Here page number 20, one more bit also, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets I am telling children. You can select the word and write. Even this is a D bit, page 20 only, same homework children, this is D bit also. Okay, what is that? Fill in the blanks. I'll see how you will write. Okay, this is about you only, one morning, a tiny animals, how you will write, I'll see. This is the homework, 2 bits I am giving as a homework and reading practice. Bye children, and see you in next session. If you don't understand, you can call me individually. I will explain you again. Okay, bye.